Alright, hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial. This time it's my everyday makeup updated, so I'm just throwing on some skincare and then laminating my brows with washable Elmer's glue and then tinting with this brow gel. Sorry about the lighting, it was going crazy all day. And then yeah, I'm just gonna fill in any gaps with my eyebrow pencil. You can see the camera there. And then I'm going in with the skin serum that I got sent that I really love and setting that real quick and just evening everything out. And then I'm going in with my concealer, and then I'm setting the liquid blush that I did off camera with some powder blush, and then going in everywhere you typically go with bronzer. Just trying to go for like a dewy look, doing some white on my waterline and lining my lips with hot pink this time, and then some bronzer on the eyelid and some liquid highlighter to just kind of freshen things up. And then I'm doing mascara on my lower and upper lashes. I didn't curl them this time, but sometimes I do. And then that's basically it. So thank you for watching so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Your pain is the breaking of the shell that encloses your understanding. Even as the stone of the fruit must break, that its heart may stand in the sun, so must you know pain. And could you keep your heart in wonder at the daily miracles of your life? Your pain would not seem less wondrous than your joy. And you would accept the seasons of your heart, even as you have always accepted the seasons that pass over your fields. And you would watch with serenity through the winters of your grief.